Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, server error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So this error can occur when the game's servers are overloaded or your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So the way you can fix your internet is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here date and time. Now you're going to make sure that your date and time are in sync with the internet, because if they are not in sync, your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone. After that, click sync now on here. And once that's done, now what you're going to do is you're going to click close on here, and then you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Click onto your account and then click support, click gaming services repair tool, click start repairing. Once it's done diagnosing your issue and fixing it, just click close on here and then sign out from the Xbox app. And once you're done signing out, now you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again, and now you're going to sign into your account. Once you're done signing in, now you're going to minimize the Xbox app, and then you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. So you're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.